40-question English quiz mix. See how many you can answer correctly. What is the opposite of borrow? Answer D. Lend. What is the opposite of apart? Answer A. Together. What is the synonym of sprint? Answer C. Dash. What is the synonym of wrath? Answer D. Rage. What does hit the roof mean? Answer A. Get furious. What does off the top of my head mean? Answer C. Instantly. Plural of anchor. Answer A. Anchors. What is the plural of saddle? Answer C. Saddles. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. They are capable of working independently. Which word is missing? Answer A. She agreed to take responsibility. Fill in the missing word. Answer D. I'm responsible for answering emails. What is the past tense of rain? Answer C. Rained. What is the past tense of bite? Answer D. Bit. Second form of creep. Answer B. Crept. Which spelling is correct? Answer C. Pressure. How is this word spelled? Answer C. Success. Opposite of abundant. Answer D. Scarce. Opposite of ancient. Answer B. Modern. What is the opposite of benevolent? Answer A. Malevolent. What is the synonym of booming? Answer C. Loud. What is the synonym of daring? Answer B. Bold. What is the synonym of elect? Answer A. Choose. What does make waves mean? Answer D. Cause a stir. What does out of line mean? Answer B. Inappropriate. What does for good mean? Answer C. Permanently. What is the plural of keychain? Answer B. Keychains. What is the plural of lunchbox? Answer C. Lunchboxes. What is the plural of mirror? Answer A. Mirrors. What is the plural of chimney? Answer D. Chimneys. Fill in the missing word. Answer B. She is afraid of making mistakes. Which word is missing? Answer C. They insisted on paying cash. Which word is missing? Answer D. He apologized for forgetting. What is the second form of shed? Answer B. Shed. Second form of broadcast? Answer D. Broadcast. What is the second form of overflow? Answer B. Overflowed. What is the second form of blow up? Answer C. Blew up. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Weapon. Which spelling is correct? Answer A. Establish. How is this word spelled? Answer D. Feature. Which option is correct? Answer D. Participate. Congratulations! You did a great job. Tell us your score in the comments. Like and subscribe for more quizzes.